was flying in Pan Am from India. The plane was coming down. Everyone had taken as many drinks as they could take within the transatlantic flight, singing songs and having a gay time. Just as the plane was coming down for the final landing, no smoking, fasten seatbelt, everything was on. Coming right down to the tarmac, just as it was about to pull in, the jumbo had flapped in, it was coming down like that in its own peculiar way. Suddenly, it went down and up again. It pulled out. Everyone, at that point you could drop a pin. No one was saying a word. As usual, as I'm always doing, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Of course, in those moments, you can always think of Krishna more clearly. But we're always practicing, so that's not out of practice. And immediately everyone was a little bit doubtful. What happened? So finally, after a few maneuvers and this and that, exactly what happened, of course, they never tell you. Something about a loose hatch or this, that, they never give you the actual, you only read about it after the crash. Of course, if you're around to read about it. Then this one person sitting next to me said, "Thank you. Because of your prayers, we have made it." About a 65-year-old senior citizen. People actually, potentially, they get frightened at any moment because they don't really know what the future holds. So this Krishna conscious movement, many people have different ideas. Of course, one of our functions is to give people feast every Sunday night. But that feast is not ordinary feast, that's spiritual food to help you be fearless. The chanting is spiritual vibration to help you to be fearless. The philosophy is a real philosophy of life to help you become fearless. Unless a person is fearless, how can you be happy? Unless a person is fearless, how you can be peaceful? And if you're not peaceful, how can you be happy? That's why you see the devotees are happy. Of course, what does that mean? We have to take our material precautions. But ultimately we know where we stand, who we are, what is the universe, what is our relationship. That's all we ask people, to ask these questions.